Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. I hope you were able to go outside yesterday. It was super nice out. I know today's going to be a little more raining on and off, so we'll have to kind of see what happens. So you're going to do your journal entry for today. 5 sentences, a nice beginning sentence, a nice wrap up, 3 details. You can pick anything from the May calendar, or you can do a free write. You can tell me what your plans are for the weekend. There's not a lot we can do, but maybe you guys have something coming up. So that's that. In Foundations today, we're going to be doing dictation. I believe I gave you a piece of paper to do it on, but if I didn't, that's totally fine. Use your W. Wind-Wa book, okay? I believe it's the W. Wind-Wa, or is it the O. Octopus-Ah? Use your workbook. You guys know which one dictation is. You just have to write the date, 5:15. Today for math, we'll do dictation at the end. Just 1 minute of math. Today we're going to learn about a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, so it's like counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You're going to need 20 nickels to make $1. So that's your goal today, is try to find 20 nickels around your house, and that means you have $1. So you're going to do just like you did yesterday for the penny, but today I want you to color it in. Either use a silver or a gray. A nickel is worth 5 cents, and you got to get in there and find all the nickels. Don't be tricked. Nickels are kind of neat. They're kind of like a little bit bigger than a penny, and they're thick. They're the thickest one, which is always makes me wonder why. So they're mixed in here. So you have Thomas Jefferson's on the front and the Jefferson Memorial's on the back, which is a building. So Jefferson's on the front, buildings on the back. Very similar to the penny. You have a person on the front and a building on the back, okay? But they are a little bit bigger than pennies. So you're going to go ahead and color, and then what would 20 cents be? Well, as you're coloring, count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, go back. So just those 4. Let's do 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you're going to color all of those ones in, okay? And you also have the nickel maze, just like you had the penny maze yesterday. So only color the nickels in. It should get you from the top to the bottom. And this is a counting one. So you're going to go ahead and color in how many nickels would be 20 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 5 cents, and 25 cents. And this time you're going to count up the nickels. Don't write that there's 6 nickels. Tell me how much money they'd be. So on this first one, it would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35 cents. And don't forget to write the little cent sign that looks like a little C with the line through it. So you're going to go ahead and do those 4 nickel pagers. You're going to go ahead and do your writing. You should be finishing up your first book, or if you're in a chapter book, you should be moving right along in that chapter book. And let's go ahead and do our dictation. I'm going to go fast, but remember, you can always pause and rewind my video, all right? So the first 3 sounds. The first sound, number 1, all. All. Number 2, ang. Ang. Number 3, ung. Ung. Now, you're not going to mark anything on this dictation because I haven't taught you how to mark long vowels. I just want to see how you do today just writing them. Next week, we'll be marking them. So your first word is the word whine, like the little boy was whining. So whine. Here we go. Wa, I, and then something magic has to be at the end of that word in order for I to say I. Whine. Number 2, lane. You might live on Lilac Lane. So let's tap it out. L, A, and then something magic at the end for make sure that A says A. L, A, Kind of nice when they just tell you what letter they are. All right, next one, number 1 on the next line. Wide, like a nice big wide load, right? Wide. Here we go. Wa, I, d, and then something magic at the end that made that I say I. All right, our last word's actually not going to have a long vowel in it. It's actually going to have a glued sound. So if you want to mark this word, that would be okay. This would be the one thing you could mark. And the word is plants. So let's do the base word first. Plant. And t. And then more than one. Plants. All right, I'm picking 2 trick words. First trick word, about. This story was about cats. About. Number 2, number. Number. All right, the last thing left is the sentence. We're going to say it slow, we're going to picture it, and then you'll write it. Then no marking anything in the sentence, okay? The only thing you can mark on this test was plants, because everything else I haven't really taught you how to do yet. We're going to learn that next week. All right, here's the sentence. See the cave next to the lake. So there's a lake and there's a big cave next to it. So do you see that lake and the cave next to it? Okay, here we go. See the cave next to the lake. And I'm just telling you something. I'm not asking you anything, so it's going to end in a period. Don't forget your capital. See the cave next to the lake. Perfect. So go ahead and do that today. Do your Nichols. You had your dictation I just did, and you have your writing, and hopefully you've read one of your books this week and you're finishing up on that. And next week we're going to learn a little bit more about how to mark long vowel words, and we're going to keep on moving on with our coins. Okay, guys? I'll see you later on today for Ready Freddy. Bye, guys.